Welcome back. It's Thursday, so that means it's time for Pet of the Week with Nick Cullen from Kern County Animal Services. Thank you for coming. And who do you have with us this week?
Good morning, Ryan. I have with me, we've named her Cruella.
Okay.
If you're a Disney fan, that probably makes perfect sense. Cruella is a puppy. She's about 10 weeks old. She is going to be a large breed dog. She's going to be a big girl. She's already pretty hefty right now. All right, sweetheart. She's got a lot of energy, like most puppies will. She is going to do well in a home that's really super high energy, probably somewhere that has other dogs, so she can learn how to socialize with people and with dogs. And she's going to be a lot of fun, man.
Yeah.
She's just an adorable little thing. She's available for adoption this Saturday. And it's a good time, too, because we have an awesome promotion happening right now.
Okay, what about that promotion?
So all month long, we're doing St. Patrick's Day. So all of our adoptions are $20 all month. But this Friday and Saturday is St. Pity's Day.
Okay.
So we're going to celebrate St. Pity's Day this Friday and Saturday, so tomorrow and Saturday, by fee-waived adoptions for all dogs like Cruella here. So all bully-type dogs, blocky-headed type dogs, pit bull-type dogs, all fee-waived adoptions. Come out and check us out.
And we know that you all do fostering, but for a 10-month-old puppy, is that possible?
Yeah, foster is always an option. Puppies don't last very long, though. Puppies usually get adopted as soon as they're available, which is a good problem to have. But foster is always an option, and to be honest with you, we always need help with large breed, older dogs. You know, it's very difficult to find placement for those animals because everybody wants a puppy.
Yeah.
So if you're considering fostering, foster an older dog, man.
Yeah.
A large breed older dog, they need it.
I'm sure they're more calm, too. They won't run around your house.
Yeah, a little chill, a little relaxed. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so for the people at home that are watching that want to pick up Cruella, where can they do that?
Well, they're going to come down to the Kern County Animal Shelter. The Kern County Animal Shelter is located at 3951 Fruitvale Avenue. We're on Fruitvale, just north of Rosedale Highway. Okay. We're open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Saturday, except for Wednesdays. We're open from 2 to 7, but 10 to 4. Come out and check us out. See what we have available for adoption.
And the times for the event this weekend?
This weekend is normal business hours, so 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Friday and Saturday. All adoptions on pit bull type dogs are fee-waived adoptions.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for all that information. Thank you for bringing her. I know she'll get adopted this weekend for sure. And thank you all for watching, and make sure you stay connected with us on all social media platforms at Kern Living. That's our Instagram and our Facebook, and you can follow me at Ryan Nelson 23. And guess what? I will see you all Friday morning, same time, same place.